Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make breakfast quiches. So you will be needing 4 eggs, 60 grams of grated cheese, 100 ml milk, 1 onion sliced, 1 tomato chopped, 60 grams of boiled spinach, 10 grams of butter, 5 grams chopped garlic, and mixed herbs as required. Set a pan on medium heat and add the butter. Once the butter is melted, add in the garlic and saute. Then mix in the onions and saute till aromatic and the onions are soft. Then in a mixing bowl, break in the eggs and whisk in the milk until well combined. Add in the mixed herbs and then the salt. Here I'm using a seasoning salt, but you can use normal table salt as well. Grease a muffin tin pan very well. Distribute the spinach, tomatoes and the onion mixture. And finally pour over the egg mixture. Then bake in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Hope you like the recipe and please subscribe to my channel for more.